Hello everyone, this is Veer Haria from Ignite IT, and this is our What the Tech vlog, where we experiment with apps, services and other tech so you can learn from our experiences. This week I've been learning about using Splitscreen on an iPad, and I was actually quite happily surprised to learn about this because I've been using sort of the window snap feature on Windows to be able to look at two different apps at the same time, or even obviously as a substitute for having multiple monitors. So when I discovered that you could do a split screen on an iPad, it made me really happy because it makes it a lot easier if you're looking up, say, flights, and you might want to be looking at Airbnb at the same time to see where you're going to stay, or if you're researching something and you want to put that into an email, you can look at the Chrome window on one side, and you can look at your mail window on the other side and be typing away. So this is a super useful feature, and it's actually really easy to use. So you open the app that you want to sort of start on. So let's say, for example, I want to be looking at flights. We'll take my first example. So I'll open the Skyscanner app, and that will allow me to then go and put in the dates and that I need, and click search. And while that's searching and it comes up with the prices, I can then go to the bottom of the screen and slide up with my finger, and that will bring up the toolbar. And then from there, if you find the other app and you hold down on the app, and then once you've sort of selected that app, you can then drag it up onto the screen, and you should see one side of the screen become split with a blue line down the middle, and that second app will come up. So let's say it's Airbnb. This works best if you already have both of the apps open. You then start with the first app, and then it's easier to switch to the second app because it's already in your dock on the iPad. This is super useful, and not only can you look at apps in split screen, but you can also change the size of the split screen. So from the middle or wherever the split is, if you actually just sort of hold your finger on that split and then slide to the left or slide to the right, you'll see the amount of window space there is for that app or service will change, and then you can make, for example, a very small Google Chrome screen while you have a very large mail screen to make it easier to type your email. So that was just something that I found was super useful. I'll also add in a little screen recording of my iPad to show you how to do that, but I hope you found that interesting and use that soon in the future. See you in the next video. Please leave a like, comment, and I'd love to hear what you have to say and what you'd love for us to try out next.